Hey guys, and welcome back. So we're going to be planning in my catch-all planner for the week of the March 10th through the 16th. The kit I'm going to be using is this TPC Nation SLO planning kit. You can no longer get it because this was from a subscription. Ophelia, please stop screaming. I have coffee next to me. My daughter is awake. But I digress. So we have the first page, the second page, and the third page. You'll notice a couple stickers are already down, like this one up here, as well as the little strips. I have my custom scripts here from Tipsy Dog. I don't have household right now. I ran out of them and I thought I had an extra sheet, but I do not, so I will be ordering that. That is the only sticker that will not be put down today. I'll just write it in, but I have all my other ones. I have my date dots here from Avalon and Ninth, and then I have my week of here, which is from Planner Kate, and this is STK 108. So let's just jump right on into it. I hate that I'm covering this beautiful art, but that's okay. Do it just down a little bit. So how are y'all doing? I'm doing pretty good. Not much is really going to be happening this week. We're just kind of, I don't know, hanging out. Might go out and do a couple things, but we did all our errands today, or this week that we're currently on, which I am filming this March 6th. Like I normally film them on Thursdays. So I thought this pretty lavender kit would be a good transition into like spring. I am so ready for spring. And I gotta order some more kits for this planner because we are getting low, guys. So proud of myself for sticking to my plan from last year, which was using up my stash in a way. So I am very, very happy with that. I do need this guy, y'all. There we go. But anyway, I thought these purples were just really pretty. Hope you guys are having good weather. We had thunderstorms yesterday. The sun is kind of out, but it's kind of cloudy as well. Not as dark as it was yesterday, which is nice. So we will see if we get more rain today or not. Kind of hoping we don't, but the weather is just so unpredictable, at least around us. So I'm gonna lay down this payday sticker. Green. Technically, we'll get paid here. So put it here, I think, because the 15th is on a Saturday this month. So I'm done with those. Then we're gonna do my sidebar. So if you are new here, hi, welcome. This is the Penny Pages Pen Tricks Planner. I had this planner Before it was the Pen Tricks, it was from TPC Nation, who is no longer open. But it was one of my favorite planners, and I actually stayed with it. So when the Penny Pages brought this kind of this layout back, the academic layout, I was so, oops, hold on. There we go. I was all for it and wanted to have it again. All right. I'm gonna write household here. I do actually need to take a couple things. I don't have them near me, but I do have Black Mountain Plans scripts that I normally use, but I am running low on those as well, so I'm gonna save them for next week and just write everything this week. So my categories are household, my daughter, myself, and my husband, meals, and I'm really trying to work on my health, like going to the gym and stuff. So normally these two bottoms, the health and meals, aren't done until the day of. I like to fill them in. Meals will be done on Sunday, and health is done daily. So no, we really don't have a lot going on this week. Which we've been, I'm not gonna say like busy, but we've been definitely working hard. With the weather starting to hopefully get warm, I won't be home very often. The kiddo and I like to definitely be out and about.
I'm not in the bed.
You what?
I'm just in the bed.
Then go lay down in bed.
Night.
Okay, night. Love you. Okay, guess she's gonna go lay down for a little bit. She has been getting up super early, so I don't really blame her. And I'm gonna use this here. Okay, so Monday for household is a trash day. And I change my wax and my wax melters. So we will get those down. I need a bigger box to go to the dry cleaners this week and drop off a few things. Put it on Wednesday just to give me an extra day or two, just in case I don't go Monday or Tuesday. I will change Ophelia's bed sheets on Friday, unless I have to do it during the week. We're working on potty training, and she's holding it while she wears her underwear, even though we're taking her to the bathroom, but y'all don't want to listen to that. So, and then on Saturday I will do laundry. sorry, there's like a truck beeping. And then we will change our sheets. Because we change our sheets as well weekly. Okay, and then I don't think let's see. Yeah, we don't have anything else really going on this week. So I've already had my... Yeah, so this was going to be a quick one. I didn't realize that. Actually, there's two things I want to write down. We are trying to hit... story time. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, where they just kind of sing songs, they read a book or two, and then they do a couple games, and my daughter really likes it, so that's on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So I think that's all for now, but I do have extra functionals, which I'm really happy about, because I will be filling in throughout the week, especially this week, because things will probably change. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.